Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wyze Bulb on Alexa step by step clearly. To set up your Wyze Bulb with Alexa, begin by ensuring that your Wyze Bulb is installed and powered on. Next, open the Wyze app on your smartphone. If you haven't already logged in, enter your Wyze account credentials. Once logged in, tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Locate and select your Wyze Bulb from the list of devices. Make sure the bulb is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, tap on the device's icon at the bottom. Select the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the menu. Select Light and then choose Wyze from the list of brands. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Wyze account to Alexa. You may be prompted to log into your Wyze account again for verification. Once linked, tap on Discover Devices to allow Alexa to find your Wyze Bulb. Wait a moment while Alexa scans for your new devices. When the scanning is complete, your Wyze Bulb should appear in the list. You can now name the bulb for easier control with voice commands. Try saying, "Alexa, turn on," the name you gave your bulb. If it responds, you've successfully set up your Wyze Bulb with Alexa. For any issues, try resetting your Wyze Bulb and repeating the setup process. Enjoy controlling your Wyze Bulb hands-free with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.